So I want to do this challenge where I upload a garden video or plant-related video every day for the rest of May. And I'd like to start off by showing this £385 60-year-old olive tree that we got delivered. And I'm going to make this look as good as I can on a palette, surrounded probably by the Trachycarpus, the cord lines, and make it look pretty, so eventually someone buys it. But this is the new big thing now. Olive trees, the Mediterranean garden scene is big. With especially, well, Trachycarpus aren't particularly Mediterranean, but they suit the theme, they suit the bill. And it's nice seeing this, and it's nice seeing all these Trachycarpus arrive at work. It's that time of the year, it's exciting. Yeah, and I love looking after these guys. They sell really quickly, so if you want one, you best hurry, because they fly for £150. Yeah. There's actually baby crickets in my greenhouse. That's cool. Only last year I did have some crickets. I'm not too sure about the species, but kind of cool. Yeah, I never thought I'd see that. So, like I said, I want to try and make a video every day for the rest of May. And this is it. This is the start, showing my osteospermum. I like osteospermum. They used to survive for me outside pretty well, but I guess with the recent harsher winters we've had, I've not had the best of luck. So I thought, in the glasshouse indoors, and I can really take note of these delicate flowers on, especially the scented pelargonium, brilliant. The Norfolk Island pine, the Acaria heterophylla, all my cacti. I love cacti. I love cycas, brilliant. And they're home here. We're getting 30-degree temperatures in the glass houses now, alongside my newly acquainted herbs and the new terracotta pots. One of the a few quid the pots were, my Washingtonia. But no, it's nice finally getting out there and enjoying warm days. And hopefully this is a sign of things to come with my vine budding here. And hopefully my bougainvillea makes a big comeback this year. I've never kept bougainvillea before, but it dropped a few leaves, well, dropped the majority of its leaves in winter, and it can see the shoots. There are shoots coming, so I am excited for that. So yeah, I'm excited for this year, guys. I don't know about you, but yeah, I can't wait.